DepEd Region 6 lead by example with initiative like Literacy and Numeracy Excellence or the LINE program, recognizing exemplary practices in schools and among teachers. We strengthen our engagement with our public schools district supervisors and the junior high school heads or the principals in championing literacy in the districts and in school. Literacy and Numeracy Innovations Showdown, empowering curriculum implementation division in the different schools division headed by their chiefs to address the learning gaps creatively. Training programs for school leaders further enhance instructional leadership in literacy and numeracy, showcasing the region's commitment to educational excellence. So our conclusions and call to action. The FLEM's findings are both a wake-up call and an opportunity. They challenge us to think critically and act decisively to bridge the literacy gap and empower our learners. Together, let us translate this insight into transformative action to make Region 6 a model of inclusive and innovative education. So, thank you very much. God bless everyone.